So what is octane number? Why we study this octane number? Why do we care about octane number or octane rating? Octane rating measures the fuel's ability to resist spontaneous ignition. So the higher octane rating means that your car will burn slower. In addition that every single engine has a specific octane number, and when it uses lower number of engine can be damaged for a short period of time. Now there are different methods to find out octane rating or octane number. Research octane number. It is the most commonly used octane number and it is determined by during burning the fuel in the test engine under controlled conditions and variable compression ratios. The results are compared with the mixture of isooctane and heptane. Then it is motor octane number. Testing uses similar test engine to that used in research octane testing but with the preheated fuel mixture. Higher engine speed, that is 900 rpm instead of 600 rpm, uses RON. So this is MON and RON. That is, then what is octane rating method? The octane quality of a gasoline is its ability to resist detonation, a form of abnormal combustion. Detonation occurs when the air-fuel mixture reaches a temperature and or pressure at which it can no longer keep for self-igniting. Two types of abnormal combustions are common. The first is detonation as previously mentioned, and another is pre-ignition. Now octane rating methods, octane number and suitable engines are when the fuel is exposed to a high temperature or pressure, automatic ignition may occur, and the higher the octane number of the fuel, higher the temperature and pressure at which automatic ignition occurs. Raising the octane number increases the efficiency and engine against the passing fuel, racing fuel. So how can we improve the octane number? For improving octane number, we have to discuss about design factors. Octane number decreases when increasing carbon chain length. Normal paraffin have low octane number as the molecular weight increases due to normal paraffins. Some impurities such as lead and sulfur can be decreased the octane rate. Now how to improve the octane number? There is an improving and reforming unit in every refinery processing company and its mission to improve quality of the product by putting some additives into the fuel which discourage auto ignition such as aromatics and organometals or oxygenates, by some treating and reforming processes that changes the properties of the fuel like catalytic or reforming cracking and isomerization and alkylation. Now RON and MON testing, what are these different? Latest update regarding this. Using this method, ASTM method for testing octane rating, a machine that is called as a knocking engine was made by CFR company to give a specific values of RON and MON for any fuel. The CFR engines measures octane by combusting the fuel and physical measuring the knock that occurs. So these are the different companies. So let us see the actual definition of the octane number. Octane number is the percentage of isooctane in the blend is termed the octane number of the gasoline. For example, the gasoline with a knocking ability that matches that of the blend 90% isooctane and 10% N-heptane has an octane number of 90, that is 90. This system has done by the Russell marker. So what are the effect of this octane number? Octane number decreases with the increase in the carbon chain length. Normal paraffins have low octane numbers and these become lower as the molecular weight increases. Octane number increases with carbon chain branching. Isoparaffin have higher octane number than the corresponding normal. Octane number increases in aromatics and same as the number of carbon. Now olefins have markedly higher octane numbers than the related paraffins. Naphthalene are usually better than the corresponding normal paraffins. Now to increase the octane number, we can put a special additives into the fuel which discourage the auto ignition. Now what are these anti-knocking additives? Anti-knocking additives are the substances which reduce the tendency of fuel to auto ignite, so increase the octane number. Small amount of lead compound have been used as economical and effective anti-knock additives, which is tetraethyl lead, but it damaged the environment. Another additives are toluene, xylene, terbutyl ethane, methanol or ethanol. Alcohol and terbutyl alcohol are the examples. Now these properties, what properties should it possess? Shorter the alkane chain, the higher the octane number. However, the volatility of hydrocarbon increases with decrease in the chain length. The short alkane chain have to be mixed in a petrol to lower their volatility and higher the octane number of the petrol. More branched the alkanes is, the higher the octane number. Another, there is an octane number more than 100. Is there a octane number more than 100? Yes. Many pure hydrocarbons or even commercial gasoline have anti-knock quality above an octane number of 100. In this range, it is common practice to extend the reference value by the use of varying amount of tetraethyl lead or other additives in the pure isooctane number. So this is regarding the octane number and their properties. We'll discuss it again. We'll discuss another point in the next lecture. Thank you.